How to play YouTube music in the background on Android. This tutorial shows you how to keep music playing even when your screen is off using your browser on your Android device. First, open your preferred browser on your Android device. This can be Chrome or Samsung Internet. After that, type in music.youtube.com in the address bar and tap Go. From there, once YouTube Music loads, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the browser. At this point, tap on Desktop Site or Request Desktop Site to switch to the full desktop version. In the next step, the page will reload in desktop mode. Sign into your account if prompted. Following this, find the song or playlist you want to listen to and tap Play to start it. Once done, press the Home button to minimize the browser and the music will continue playing in the background. From here, you can control playback directly from your notification panel without needing to open the browser again. Finally, even when your screen turns off, the music will keep playing uninterrupted. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you play YouTube music in the background, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.